The future has arrived, and Marshal is ushering in the era of ultra-powerful soft-tail touring motorcycles. At the 2025 China Motorcycle Show, Marshal unveiled a brand new brand image and 3 new models poised to revolutionize the touring motorcycle market. Marshal Motorcycles is making its first appearance at the motorcycle show since its brand refresh with the launch of its smart factory. The brand will introduce a fresh image and a series of revolutionary new products. Most notably, 3 new models in the YES Softail series: the YES Softail 255 AMT, the YES Softail 418 AMT, and the YES Softail 415. Marshal Motorcycles has experienced significant growth in recent years. The first phase of its new smart digital factory, built with an investment of 200 million yuan, was officially opened at the end of 2024. This new factory features 4 fully intelligent RGV production lines and is equipped with world-class testing equipment, ensuring that every new product undergoes rigorous machine testing and achieves higher reliability. Chongqing has also signed a strategic partnership with European brand Marshal and comprehensively optimized its dealership service system. The 2025 China Motorcycle Expo will be the global debut of the new brand, showcasing its comprehensive strengths in product development, technological advancements, and after-sales service. The YES Softail 415 is also likely to utilize the Softail chassis and V-twin engine. The configuration could be simplified and enter the market at a more affordable price. The Softail chassis system is the key technical advantage of Marshal Motorcycles. The Softail structure is a rear-mounted, direct-link suspension structure. Many cruisers of the same caliber currently on the market utilize dual-side spring shock absorbers with conventional flat rear forks. This combination structure is robust and cost-effective, but its damping and filtration performance are relatively limited. The centrally mounted direct-link shock design ensures the smooth operation of the entire rear suspension, emphasizing both comfort and sportiness. This is the origin of the saying, "No soft tail, no cruise." Marshal Motorcycle demonstrated its strong presence in the Chinese cruiser market by unveiling 3 new Softail motorcycles at the Motorcycle Expo. Softail chassis technology was previously used primarily in high-end Harley models, such as the Softail series. The YES Softail 255 reshaped the technical landscape of domestic cruisers by bringing this technology to entry-level models. Not only is the company making in-depth development in China, but it will also introduce strategic new products overseas, including street cars, climbing models, and racing models, at the 2025 China Motorcycle Expo. In addition to the 3 new models in the YES Softail series, Marshal Motorcycle has hinted at other surprises to come.